Good morning, students. This is from Vittal Matriculations. I am your English teacher. Okay, students. Now the COVID issue also going on here. Okay, so first of all, your go to outside mean definitely your use sanitizer. Okay, and how to use in your sanitizer mean first of all you get in your sanitizers and you you put the sanitizer to in your hand. Okay, after you this type of clean in your hand. Okay, strictly clean in your hand and fully you wash in your hand. Okay. And the gap side also you clean, this gap side also you clean your fingers also. Okay, because of the fingers, this fingers gap side also, and the dust also here. Okay, so fully clean in your fingers and gap also. Okay, students, all of you yet or not? Okay, you cannot yet mean first of all you are go to eat your food. Okay, after you are all come and see this class. Okay. Okay, students. Now today we all see what? Today we all see, right? Fifth standard English. Okay. Which topic today we are see? Yes, the topic name is what? Yeah, today we all see term 1 unit 1. The topic name is exploring space. Okay, already we are see exploring space. Okay, today we are see already these are all completed, Okay, today we are see what? Yes, today we are see beyond the universe. What? Beyond the universe. This is one of the headline of this poem. It's one of the poem of this topic. Okay, right. You ask the question, sir, you're all tell about me, sir. What is mean by beyond, sir? Yes. Okay. And the beyond mean by what? Beyond mean by away. Yes. Away means beyond and endless line of what? What houses? Line of what houses? Beyond an endless line of worth houses. Okay, that's it's mean by away. You think away only. Okay, universe means it's one of the world. Okay, now we are see the first stanza. The first para is one of the stanza, so we are tell about first stanza because of this one of the poem. So now I tell about the first stanza. Just listen carefully. First, I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planet and the countless stars. Okay, I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Okay, first of all, we are see I dream of flying beyond. Already we are see beyond. It's beyond mean by away. Okay, I dream of flying beyond the earth. Okay, earth mean flying to from the earth to we are go to the space side. Okay, so they are mentioned the first line. I dream of flying beyond the earth. Flying mean play like a butterfly or aeroplane. That's one of the flying or birds. Okay, I dream of flying beyond the earth. They are mentioned. Okay, and the second line, amidst the planet did amidst the planet and he countless stars. Okay, countless means counting. Like a what? Amidst means one of the between. It means by between. I mean gap. Okay, amidst mean one of the gap or what? One of the gap. Okay, amidst amidst the planet and the countless stars, because of they are counting the stars on the sky side. Okay, they are mentioned count countless. Okay. Next we are see. I would stop by the red planet Mars because of Mars is one of the red color, you know. So they are mentioned. I would stop by the red planet Mars because of that. It's one of the red color. You see the picture? See red color, you know. It's one of the Mars. Okay. See. Here we dream of a home away from home. What? Here we dream of a home away from home because they are mentioned home. From in your home, they are go to the Mars side. Again, one time I tell about this Sansa, you know. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planet and countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home and from away home. And second is because of sorry, I make a mistake now. Okay. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planet and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Okay, it's also first answer. I asked the question, which is the sense of this para? Yeah, very good. Stars, Mars. This is the uh, rhyming words of this para. I mean this answer. Stars, Mars. The two are rhyming words of this stanza. Okay, are you clear? Next we all see the second stanza. What? Yes, yeah. Fly on to watch the Saturn. Fly on to watch the Saturn. Saturn means Saturday, you know, like a Saturday. That is one of the planet. This is one of the biggest planet in the what? In the planet side. Okay, this is one of the biggest planet. Okay, and it's one of the sunlight family. You know, sunrise, sunlight. It's one of the sunlight family. Saturn. Okay, Saturday. You know, Saturday. That's one of the Saturn. Fly on to watch the Saturn. Right, with its ring and moons. Ring and moons mean that's the ring and moon. That's one of the round circle of moon. Okay, they are mentioned with its ring and the moons. Right. Right. Next we are see. Then I stopped by the Jupiter, marveled by its red storm that looked like marvelous. Okay, you ask the question. Then stopped by Jupiter. Stopped means the sky side. I mean at the planet side. Okay, marveled. It's mean by what? Marvel mean by because of I think because of what? You thinking, but it is very beautiful. That's one of the marveled. Okay, it's for examples. It's one of is it's one of the for example mean isn't this evening isn't this an evening marveled John because of I think because of your friend all coming mean but you cannot thinking but to your friend come or not but your friend also coming in your home and give your surprise. That's one of the marveled. Okay, next you see by its red storms that look like marvelous. What? By its red storms that look like marvelous. Okay, what? Marvelous means, for examples, the low stone walls were marbled with moss and legends. Okay, legend. Marvelous. It's one of the same way. Okay, I can one time read this fully. This para. I mean this stanza. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter's, marveled by its red storms that look like marvelous. Okay, which is the sense of sorry. This sense of side. What? Which is the rhyming word of here? Yes. moons, marvelous. This is also rhyming words of this stanza. Okay, are you clear? Yours in next stanza. First of all, I fully read this stanza. Okay, hurling through a belt of asteroids. What? Asteroids. 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 What? Asteroids. We cannot understand. Just spell the words. Okay. Astr asteroid. Asteroids. Okay. It's one of the asteroids. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids. I crossed errands. I crossed errands without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I play beyond the galaxy. Okay, like I can once again read because of I make a mistake, So, hurling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed errands without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. See, you're all asked the questions. Hurdling is mean by what? Hurdling mean by are clear student. You know about the answer students. You don't know means not a problem. I tell. Okay, hurdling it's mean by um, you also go to driving in your car mean that side the policeman also stopped. That side they are put on to the yes. That name is I think. That's one of the pericard. Okay, pericard also there. That's one of the hurdling. Clear? Okay. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids. Okay. Throw means what mean? Throw. For examples, this way. This way. It may be this way. For example, as soon as we opened the gate, they come streaming through. Okay, because of your home open the door mean you are go to your home. That's hard throw. So hurtling through a belt of asteroids. Clear? Asteroid means yes, small size. What? Planet. Small size planet. Asteroids means small size planet. I crossed errands. I crossed errands. It's mean by sorry. It means Uranus. Uranus. Two time I read spelling mistake. Uranus. I make a mistake. Uranus. Sorry. Uranus. It means by Uranus. Uranus. Errands. I read errands, not errands. It mean by Uranus. Okay. Uranus. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. A fuss means one has to make a fight, fight to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Once again, I read because of I make some mistake of this very difficult, So hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Okay, now we read this answer. Which is the rhyming words of here? Yes, you tell. Asteroids. Yes, asteroids are rhyming words of here. Okay. Yes, first also rhyming words of this answer. Correct. Because of the same words also here. Because of yes also same word, yes also same word, two yes also here. So this answer side asteroids and first also rhyming words. Okay. Finally, we all see the last stanza also here. Okay. Just like now we read this stanza. Okay. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way. to voyage across the galaxies. Okay. Yes, they meet the creator. They meet the creator. That side, one person meet to other person. There are meet creator. Okay, to meet the creator of the magnificent. It mean by very sorry because of this paper also rolling. Yes, to meet, see, to meet the creator of the magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Okay, magnificent is one of the beautiful of one. It's mean by beautiful. Magnificent meaning by beautiful. Display to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Okay. Okay, students, are you listen this last stanza, which is the rhyming words of here? You see where? Yes, display. You see the display? Correct. Display is display. Yeah. Otherwise, way. WAY. You see DASBLAY. WAY. It is the rhyming words of here. How many cells are also here? It 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells are also here. You know, right? Again, one time. Sorry. Okay. Now against one time I read this poem. Okay, listen carefully because of you cannot understand me. Now you also listen it because of now only I read it, these sentences. Okay, the first sentence I read: I dream of flying beyond the earth, see, amidst the planets and the countless stars. It would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. uh, are you clear? Okay, now we are read second stanza: fly on to watch the Saturday, okay, with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter's, marveled by its reed storms that look like marbles. uh, Next, we are see the third sensor. Yes, hurling through a belt of asteroids, I cross a Uranus without fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice gained further high. I fly beyond the galaxy. We are seeing next. Next, we are see the final sensor also here. Okay. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take beyond the Milky Way. Are you clear? To voyage across the galaxies. Right. Are you clear, students? The beyond the universe also, it's one of the poem. Okay. You see the like a picture. See, this happening also going to the where? Yes, correct. Mars side. These are all the happening going to Mars side. This is one of the planet, you know. Right. Okay. Next we are see. Right. See here. Next we are see the glossary. Yes. Next we are see the glossary. First one is see. How many characters here? Just I read. Okay. Beyond, amidst. You see the. You see beyond. They are mentioned beyond. Okay. Beyond. They are mentioned beyond. You see beyond. You see beyond. Okay. Beyond mean already tell you know, it's mean by away. Beyond mean by away. Okay, they are glossary. We are see the glossary. Beyond, the opponent word, outside the limits or reach. Another one is am just. sorry, amidst, okay, it's mean by surrounded by. Another one, marveled, wondered, marvelous, a little ball of a glass or clay used by the children to play. Okay. Another one is hurdling. What? HURTLING. Hurdling. Is the glossary racing over the racing over the barriers. BARRIERS, barriers. Okay. Racing over the barriers further to move ahead. Further to move ahead. And the one is magnificent. It means by extremely beautiful. What? Extremely beautiful. Okay, are you clear? Yes, friends. Today class over. See you next day. Bye bye.